Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by again to come and talk to me. You know I missed you. I'm serving you face today, a very bronzed makeup look, and you know I achieved this look with products that were mostly drugstore. Okay, I'm gonna just tell you now, mostly drugstore products. Go get you some. You want to achieve this look? Stay tuned and keep watching. So first things first are my eyebrows. Some people do their eyebrows after they finish their base for their face, but personally I feel like it's easier to do it before, and I'm just used to doing it before, so I'm gonna get started on that. So I'm gonna start off with a primer, Honey Do Me Up primer. I don't know if that's even gonna work, but the Honey Do Me Up primer by NYX, and this is just a dewy type of primer that I use on my face. As you can see, I've been using it up because I really like the dewy kind of makeup look. Not so much of a matte girl, but the dewy one works for me. So let's just wait for this stuff to come out because shake it like a salt, shake it like a salt, shake it like a salt, shake it like a salt. Next, I'm going in with foundation, and for the foundation I am using a concealer, and I'm using this one by Maybelline, and this is the, I don't remember, there's a name for these, but I don't remember which one it is. It's just a little, like, comes with a little applicator. I got this initially for correcting like dark spots and stuff, and I'm like, whoa, this matches literally my skin color, so I can use it as a foundation. So that's what I do, and plus it's quick, especially the fact that it has a little applicator.
Then I blend that out with
my Real Techniques blending sponge because you know they work really good. So and by the way, this is the color 60, so 60 or 90, let me check. Yeah, the color 60, Cocoa, or just, it's just Cocoa. So I just blend in my foundation. You can use any foundation you want to use, but you know, I chose this one, and this is a concealer, but it's kind of like a natural concealer, a light, like natural concealer that you don't really have to like use for full coverage, but it can be used for full coverage if you would like. As you can see, it's still kind of like dark on the lower half of my face, and in my contour areas you can still see a little bit of depth and definition and darkness, because this is like a really natural, you know, concealer foundation thing, and this does oxidize and get darker. So next I'm taking this Age Rewind concealer and I'm putting that in my highlight areas. As you can see, it's kind of like dry, and this is what I have been using, like literally. Ask me, why didn't you put any on your upper lip? Well, I just don't feel the need to put any on my upper lip. You know, I like the color of it already. Next, I go in with setting powder, and right now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me setting powder right here, and I'll take a separate blender, more older one, and make sure it's also damp, and press this in and set my face with it. And as you can see what I'm talking about, like the foundation is already oxidizing, so it's not really like I needed to add a... So next I go ahead and bronze my face because I want to add a little bit of warmth back into my face. And I just go on under my cheekbones. And then I go in the bridges of my nose to, you know, and there we go. And sorry that I'm looking at the viewfinder so much over here because I kind of, when I do my makeup, I really don't have a good mirror. So while I'm looking at this mirror, I also have to look at that mirror to just make sure everything is what it is. With the bronzer, I always go under my, you know, eyebrows a little. So after that step, I go back in with my powder that I used to set my highlight, and I just cut my bronzer just to add like dimension as a jawline type of thing. So after I set everything, I go in with my eyeliner because, you know.
What was that?
Okay. And don't forget to put on blush. So now my favorite part, this highlighter. So I'm using the Milani highlighter in Strobe Light. And as you can see, it is broke. I'm telling you right now, once you break it, it's over for you, okay? One break turns into 1,000 breaks. Like, there's no way to avoid it. So, somebody, if you know a way to like avoid it and get rid of cracks, you know, make a video or send me a video or give me some notes. Actually, put it down in the comment section below, okay? Tell me, because I need help. After this, I go ahead and spray my face with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray Set right here. So last but not least, I love a nude lip. Like, that's my go-to. And to achieve that, all I do is go in any kind of palette because I don't have a lip liner. Go to any dark brown, any dark brown shade, and line your lips with that. After this, I use this Bite Makeup kind of pinkish nude. Not really just like a nude. This is like a pinkish kind of nude situation, which is fine as well. And then over that, I go in with the Amazing Cosmetics lip gloss. It's kind of like a pinkish, light pinkish gloss. It is so pretty. So this is the completed look. I know it would look so stunning with some lashes, but I don't really have those right now. And I like mascara with it anyway because I'm not really going above and beyond, if you know what I mean. Even though it kind of looks like and very bronzy, you know. That's what I was going for with all of the bronzer, a very like bronzed look without the contour, if that makes any sense. Also, thank you guys for 100 subscribers, okay? Like, I did it. I knew I could have did it. I knew y'all could have did it. Like, and I just wanted to tell y'all thank you so much. I appreciate this. With this being said, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload. I said it last time and I will say it again. I'll keep saying it. And I will see you guys again